Hello, welcome back. How you doing? Today we're going to make some scrambled eggs with beef, Ethiopian style. I will be using a little bit, a tinish amount of Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. And if I make any mistakes, if there's any Ethiopians out there, please do let me know and correct me. Okay, let's get on with this. Okay, let's get on with this one. So we've got our meat here. I'm using beef. You could use lamb if you want. Siga is the name for beef. I've got some eggs here, 4 eggs. I've got some tomatoes cut nice and small. Tomato is timatim. Here we've got onion. I've cut that nice and small, and the word for onion is shinkut. Garlic, about a tablespoon there. That's called nech shinkut, which just means white onion if you translate it. Some chili there, quite a lot of fresh chili or karia chopped in there. And this is kibe. This is Ethiopian spice butter. Now, if you don't have that, which you probably don't just use regular butter because it's completely different. This has got loads and loads and loads of different spices in it. This is quite easy and very delicious, but spicy. Okay, so I've got a pan here with a little bit of olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. So a tinish amount of zait. Zait is the word for oil. Tinish means small. We're going to get our meat first of all. And again, I've cut this nice and small. And you can see nice little bit of fat in there, which I'm super happy about. We're on a medium heat. And what I'm going to do is for 6 minutes, I'm going to just cook this meat. Get it really on its way before we add any other ingredients. Okay, so that's about 6 minutes. And let's give it a nice head start. Now, depending on the quality of the meat you're using, you might want to cook it longer or shorter. Like if you've got a beautiful steak, you probably want to do it like 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, next up we're now going to add in our onion or shinkut and our garlic or nech shinkut. And again, we're going to stay on this medium type heat. And we're going to go for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Absolutely wonderful. Right, now we're going to add some salt or chow. I hope I've said that right. I always say that wrong, I think. And some black pepper, which is kondo berberi. Next, we're going to add our tomatoes or timatim. And we really want to cook these tomatoes down. We want to kind of really break them down as much as we can. So we're probably going to be going for about another 5 or 6 minutes on this slightly above medium heat, I would say. So you can see that our tomatoes or timatim have really cooked down. I'm now going to add the kibe or the spice butter, and like I say, if you don't have it, don't just skip it, don't bother, because it's a very different thing. And I promise you that I will get around to making it. The problem is that some of the ingredients like kosolet, besobela, koramina, I can't get hold of at the moment because of the COVID situation. I'm now going to drop in my chili, and like I say, it's quite a lot of chili that you put in this one. I'm just going to cook that for about 2 minutes. Okay, wonderful. Now I've just turned the heat down to below medium now, and 4 beaten eggs, in that goes. And we're going to cook these eggs, and we're going to cook them quite well. Generally, you'll find with Ethiopian scrambled eggs, it's cooked, it's kind of overdone. Some people might, do it a little bit under, but generally you'll find it well cooked. Keep it moving now. Okay, off goes the heat. Check that for salt or chow. That's it, ready to go. Let me get it on a plate for you. Okay, and there you go, beautiful. I'm just serving this with some white bread and some wholemeal bread, and of course you could serve this with injera. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. I'm a Saganado. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars, or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.